To create a portfolio website in Wix, start by signing up for a Wix account and choosing a template that suits your needs. Wix offers a wide range of templates, so browse through them and select one that resonates with your profession or industry. Once you have chosen a template, click on the Edit button to start customizing your website. The first step is to add your content, including your bio, skills, and experience. Use the text editor to add and format your text, and make sure to keep it concise and easy to read. You can also add images and videos to make your website more engaging. Next, create a portfolio section to showcase your work. Wix offers a range of gallery and portfolio layouts, so choose one that fits your style. Upload your projects and add descriptions to each one, including the skills and tools you use to complete them. To make your website easy to navigate, create a menu and add pages for different sections of your portfolio. Use the drag and drop editor to add and arrange elements on your page. And make sure to keep your menu simple and easy to use. Once you have added all your content, customize the design of your website to fit your brand. Choose a color scheme and font that reflects your personality and profession. And add a logo to make your website more professional. Finally, connect your domain and publish your website. Wix offers a range of domain options, so choose one that fits your needs and budget. Once your website is live, test it on different devices to make sure it is responsive and works well. To optimize your website for search engines, use the Wix SEO tool to add keywords and meta tags to your pages. This will help your website rank higher in search engine results and attract more visitors. By following these steps, you can create a professional portfolio website in Wix that showcases your skills and experience. Remember to keep your website updated and fresh, and use analytics to track your visitors and engagement. With Wix, you can create a stunning portfolio website without any coding or design experience, and establish a strong online presence that helps you achieve your career goals.